Hadian kejingmi jong kejingnya kan ad hapdang ki artli ki trai mulok hapok ke jylla Manipur ke sorkar jylla jong ke Meghalaya mar hadian bayu i kejing kan ad kalajur kala syem ya kan rai ban wan ïalam shwa ki samla pule ki balaj ban pule hagi benta baper jong ke jylla Manipur kat bala na ka benta jong ki khlam dadan kanu kejing syap wet habakran na kalyang ukon rat ki sangma ubri menteri rang ba ke jylla ulaong ba kejing ja ka balajia hapok ke jylla Manipur kala long shisha kejing ja ka pasungut thot ba Henry Wadla kat taru ulapu ke jingkerpat na kebenta ki pait ba nong song snong ke jylla Manipur baki dei ban pennek pensa ya ke song sok song san hapo ke jylla hi brok away.
The recent incidents that have been taking place in the state of Manipur have been very disturbing, and at this point in time I would urge to all the citizens of Manipur state, all our brothers and sisters there, that we should maintain peace and harmony out there, and we should not go into any violent activities. I would like to appeal for peace, and I would like to urge that whatever the complications may be there, we should try and resolve those matters in an amicable manner. I also would like to appeal that we should not do anything to hurt any religious sentiments. There have been different attacks on different religious institutions and different religious places. These are not very healthy for our society, and this will only complicate matters more, and hence I urge that we should refrain from any such activity, and would like to appeal once again to all our friends and all our brothers and sisters in Manipur that we should try and ensure that peace prevails and all the different situations are and complications are resolved in an amicable manner. Also, this evening we had an emergent meeting with all the senior officials of the state government of Meghalaya to monitor the situation in Manipur, especially keeping in mind that a large number of students, almost close to 200 students from Meghalaya today are studying in Manipur, specifically in Imphal. We are monitoring the situation closely. We are in touch with the students of the different institutes. We are also making arrangements as a state government to try and evacuate our students at the earliest from there so that they can come back safely. We are making arrangements in terms of different transportation, especially air transportation, so that we can safely and quickly bring back our students back to our state. And we are also working on creating a permanent number, call center or a helpline number where the parents and the students can call on a 24-hour basis if they require any help or if any urgent matter is there. And I would like to urge the students studying in Manipur, students from Meghalaya who are studying in Manipur, and the parents of the students also, that please don't panic, be calm. We are monitoring the situation continuously. We are in touch with the Manipur government continuously, and we are making and taking all steps possible to immediately ensure that we are able to, as quickly as possible, evacuate and bring our students back to Meghalaya, and we'll watch the situation carefully. As the situation gets under control, then we can decide on the further course of action.